Hi, Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKean here. I'm here with Connecticut medical malpractice attorney Jak Kocienda. Hi, Jake.
Hi, Ryan.
Hey, Jake. One of the things I get asked a lot about is, somebody calls and they think, "Hey, I'm the victim of medical malpractice. I believe I'm the victim of medical malpractice, and now I need all this extra care." You can imagine a person who went in for surgery is now paralyzed and now needs home health care. Or maybe somebody needs dialysis they didn't need before, or they need another procedure to correct the procedure that went wrong. Really significant medical bills. Does the Who pays those and when? Who's responsible for paying those bills? Because people start getting bills right away, co-pays, deductibles, whole bunch of things start coming right away. Does the hospital or doctor have to pay those, or what's the process? Can you talk about that?
Sure. Let me start from the end first, and that is if you're successful with a medical malpractice case and that case is brought and you have a case that's a verdict and a jury awards, then ultimately the party, the doctor or the hospital that caused the injuries from negligence would be responsible for all those types of bills. But that can take 2, 3, 4, 5 years before that resolution. Until then, until there's a jury or an agreement that the hospital or the doctor will pay, you, the patient, or their insurance company, their health insurance company, are responsible for paying. And until that verdict, they should be paid by them. Do not wait, don't hesitate. It's just like any other bill until that verdict comes in.
Yeah, I think that that's a really important point, and it feels so unfair. Like you didn't, you went in, you were doing everything right, and you didn't want this at all. It's the last thing you ever wanted, and now you've got these bills. But I think it's really important, like, not to ignore those bills, to submit them to your health insurance, to try to enter into payment plans with your providers, to try to do whatever you need to do to get those bills covered, because you don't want to end up in collections. So I think it's really important that if you're out there and you need some help, you contact an experienced Connecticut medical malpractice attorney who can help navigate this situation, can maybe help find some alternatives for you, or make some suggestions as to ways to make sure you get the treatment you need without hopefully crippling financial distress. So if you have any questions, give Attorney Kocienda a call, 860-471-8333.